Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Software Update here and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then tap on Auto Update, and here we've got the options. So first of all, auto download, make sure that it is set on Wi-Fi option, make sure that it is marked, and then tap on this switcher here next to auto update overnight. Thanks to both of those options, your device will not only automatically download the updates, of course, whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, and it will also automatically apply them overnight. So at the time when you're usually not using the device, as you can see, everything is explained here. It will happen between 2 and 5 a.m. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.